Welcome to the Survey Design and Data Analysis module for the final evaluation report. To complete the assignment, you will be using software called JASP. In recognition of Bayesian pioneer Sir Harold Jeffreys, JASP stands for Jeffreys's Amazing Statistics Program. This course focuses on the design of closed-ended survey instruments and the subsequent analysis of the data gathered from those instruments. The analysis is used to assist data-driven decisions during needs assessments, evaluations, and other learning and performance improvement interventions. Before we begin, let's review the learning objectives. At the end of this course, you will be able to take the following actions within JASP. Import your dataset, analyze your dataset, extract the appropriate dataset, export graphical representation from your dataset. To begin, launch the JASP application on your PC. Our first task will be to import a dataset into JASP. For this example, we will be using an Excel file titled Student Evaluation Dataset and was downloaded via Canvas in the OWPL 523 course via the dashboard. Within the JASP application, navigate to the homepage, as shown on the screen. Click on the pancake, the three blue lines, on the upper left-hand corner of the interface. Click on Open and navigate to the file you want to import. In this example, the file is in our downloads, so we will click Computer and then Documents. Highlight and double-click on the file. The file will import into JASP as a .csv file. Once imported, you will see the data in the main pane of JASP. For our next task, we will perform the necessary steps to analyze the data. To perform this function, click on the Descriptives button at the top of the page. Once clicked, the Descriptive Statistics pane will appear on the left and the Results pane on the right. The heading tiles from the dataset are shown in the Descriptive Statistics box. For this example, we will move the following characteristics to the Variables box: age, gender, and questions 1, 3, and 7. You can do this by double-clicking or dragging the attribute over. Under the Tables drop-down, you will see a checkbox titled Frequency Tables. Click the checkbox to enable the frequency tables in the Results pane. JASP uses progressive disclosure. This means that every time you select a new checkbox and add or remove a variable, the analysis pane updates automatically. You can see the statistics update in the Results pane as you add or remove variables. The frequencies shown are relevant for the variables that you dragged over earlier. To create a bar graph for your data, click on the Basic Plots drop-down arrow and click the Distribution Plots checkbox. Before exporting the graphical representation from the dataset, you will need to locate the intended data from the Results pane. The N, or total number of participants in the survey, are shown in the Descriptive Statistics table. The median, mean, mode, and standard deviation for questions 1, 3, and 7, which are also located on the Descriptive Statistics table. You can find the number of percentage of males and females in the frequencies for gender table. You may notice that age distribution of the participants in the survey is not reflected in the frequencies table. To export the graphical representation for your variables, including age, hover your mouse over the graph. You'll see an arrow light up next to the word age. Click on the arrow and then click Save Image As. Saving it as a PNG file is the best format. Choose your desired location on your computer to access the graph later. Congratulations! You have completed all the necessary steps for your final evaluation report.